Hi, welcome to the Ask Battery series. Today's question is by Gayatri. The question is how to build a strategy for oneself or how to build up strategy. Uh, Experiment. That's what I would say. Okay, I'll just give you a small process in which maybe you can follow to get your strategy in place. First is before writing any mock, try to write down a strategy for each section that you're planning to use. For example, let me say I'm planning to write a mock and I'll decide beforehand that for verbal, maybe this time I'll try to solve all the questions. Okay. Which means I will maybe first give 25 minutes for RCs and then 15 minutes for verbal ability. So in that 25 minutes, then I'll go maybe a little bit detail if I require. So in that 25 minutes, maybe I'll read the questions first and then solve the RC passages, or vice versa, whichever you're comfortable. Do write the strategy. In verbal ability also, maybe first I'll look at para summary, then maybe odd man out, and then maybe jumble para. Whichever way you're comfortable, write down that strategy. Okay, figure it out that this is what I'm going to do with this particular mock, and let me see. Same with maybe the other two sections like DLR. Maybe your strategy could be, oh, I'll go to all the 5 sets, then identify 3 sets, and then try to solve them. Okay, and maybe first 8 minutes I'll use to go through all the sets. Then I'll use 10 minutes per set to solve. If I don't get a set or have no idea within 4-5 minutes, I will leave a set. So have that thing written down in your paper and make a plan. Same with content. I mean, I may follow a saying I'll go to 9 questions in every 10 minutes. In that 10 minutes, maybe I'll solve 2 or 3 questions. I'll follow that for next all the paper and then come back to whatever easy questions are left. So write down the strategy for each section that you're planning to use in the mock. Okay. Once you write down, you try to follow the strategy in your paper. Try. Sometimes the strategy is not followed. But anyway, try to use the strategy in the paper. After the mock, analyze, figure out which part of the strategy worked and which part of strategy did not work. There will always be some part that must have worked well and you must have got more marks because of that. There will always be some part which has not worked well. Maybe that whole nine questions in 10 minutes did not work well because in that particular mock, the easy questions were in the end and you missed out on that because you focused on 9 minutes or 10 minutes on the first 9 questions, which was very difficult. So you would know why the strategy did not work and why the strategy did work. Okay, the strategy did not work for this reason. Okay, let me modify it. Then let me say I'll not waste 10 minutes for the first 9 questions. I will go with the flow and check out which is the easiest question and solve. So first, write the strategy. Second, follow it in the mock. Third, after the mock, try to write down what worked, what did not work, and why it did not work for each part of strategy. Write it down because tomorrow, in the closer to the exam, when you're analyzing your mocks, it's very important to analyze the strategy you used and to figure it out what worked and what did not work. And from there, over a period of time, you'll build up a strategy. Even if you have a good strategy in place, you feel keep experimenting. The moment you experiment, you come to know what works and what doesn't work, or you come to know yourself better. And you will always be prepared for something untoward happening in the exam, something different happening in the exam. So that will only come if you keep experimenting and identifying and writing down what has worked and not worked in every type of strategy you have used. So based on that, you can prioritize which strategy works for you and which does not, and that will help you to get a better way. So try to do it, and I'm sure it will help you over it. Thank you.